All right, perhaps our enthusiasm yesterday was a bit premature. As it turns out, some people still have a long way to go in their training. But I'm sure that we'll all learn to be compassionate after tomorrow's sensitivity training camping trip!
Yeah! You know what I think is compassionate? Saving the village from Eggman, like every week. But do I get any props for that? No! Everyone just goes around gasping at me when I call a guy, or people. I quit heroing, and I quit this stupid group!
Sonic the Hedgehog? Retired?
Yeah, and the rest of his do-gooder friends are going on some lovey-dovey camping trip.
The town is ours for the taking.
Wait, didn't we try this once before already?
No, that was when Eggman retired. This time Sonic's retiring. Totally different thing.
Yay! Sounds like an opportunity to launch an offensive.
Yeah, and you should attack, too!
No, if I do that, Sonic will come out of retirement and fight me. I'll need to bide my time. Wait for just the right moment.
Ah, do nothing at all. It's that kind of evil scheme that keeps you feared around the globe.
But it's already a juice container! Why dirty glass?
And tomatoes on the side, please.
Sonic, you have to do something about the Lightning Bolt Society.
Oh, whatever. I've eaten burritos more dangerous than the lightning bolts. Sorry, guys. I'm retired.
Well, look what we have here. A fence, trying to dictate where we can and cannot go.
Oh, yeah. Anarchy, baby. Woo!
Yeah!
So much for early retirement.
My baby! Again. Somebody save my baby! Again.
Now this feels like the right moment. He'll never see me coming.